next job is the upgraded plug and play ECU. It's supposed to take it up to 175, it's a stage 1. And yeah, taking off the scuttle pan, taking off the windscreen wipers, unplugging the old ECU, plugging it in. Start off, remove this weather stripping. I believe this is where the cabin filter hides. And that's 4 screws. And this is where the cabin filter hides because I've changed it before. Hello cabin filter. Now we got to take the wipers off. The cabin filter looks a little bit dirty. Windscreen wipers are 13mm. So the last time we tried to do this, we had a hammer behind here because it is solid, it will not move. So I bought myself one of these windscreen wiper removal tools. And all it does sit behind the windscreen wiper because it's got this little bit cut out of the metal. It sits behind there. The screw bit sitting on top of there, and you just wind it and it comes off. That looks like I would have snapped the windscreen wiper. I would have done. I'd have broke something. Like I said, the last time we did it, we put a big crack in the windscreen. If you're having trouble with windscreen, I think it was like £5 or something off the TikTok shop. But saved a load of hassle right there. Took 2 seconds for a job that we couldn't actually do last time. So it's sealed in. You've got to start from the ends and work your way along the middle. You see that seal, dirty stuff. Scuttle pan removed. Has got some damaged wear, broken bits of plastic in places. You know what? We don't need to move the whole thing. We can just leave it there like that. But we need a new one eventually. Just going to disconnect the old car battery quickly. I'll find something suitable to do it with. In my box of magic. So you can see, it's got these clips that hold it in. And you can just pry it open. There's another one on this side. There's one. This one has to come a bit further. There's the other. There we go. That's that out. And this should, I think, just pop this slide out. And there we have it. One ECU. All looks nice and clean in there. No water or anything getting in there. This is my new one. That's my old one. Codes match up. This one has been coded to 175 mass. The mobilizer is off, so it should just work by plugging it in. It's got launch control and an EGR delete. Hasn't got a popcorn limiter on, but I ain't bothered about that because popcorn limiters are bad for your car, as far as I'm aware. And what it does, look it up what a popcorn limiter does to you. Like hard cuts the car or something like that. It's just not good. We're just going to pop this back in, plug it in. But yeah, connect it up, scuttle tray back in, wipers on, job done. New ECU clipped in. Scuttle tray back on. That's the scuttle popped on. I had to clean out the bit. It's got like a bit where the plastic sits just behind the windscreen. I had to clean out loads of dirt out of there because it wouldn't pop on properly after that. Put this back on, screws in, start her up. That's the wipers back on. Scuttle trays back on. This, whatever it is, weather strip maybe or something like that. That's back on. So now is the moment of truth. Can't get anyone to come and wash the car for me, which is a nightmare. Because I'm scared of a diesel in or something. I don't know why it would, but I've got the new ECU in. I've got the airbox hose loose, so if I need to, I can just basically cut off the air supply if it does start dieseling. But fingers crossed, we're just going to turn the key and see what happens. And it works. No warning lights, no nothing. So I'm going to turn it off. Tighten up that air hose and give it a little drive. So we're driving it, we've got the new ECU on.